linear inequalities work pretty close to a regular equation with just a couple of twists. First of all, we know we have an inequality, so that's going to change things. But let's just go ahead and solve. So for the most part, we solve it the same exact way. So I'm going to add 3 to both sides. I'm just going to pretend that's an equal sign for right now. And so 4x is greater than 16. Divide by 4. And x is greater than 4. But we also have to graph it, and for a regular inequality, we're going to graph on a number line. So I need the number I'm interested in, so 4. And the key thing here is we have to show that this is playing greater than and not greater than or equal to. So the way we do this is with open and closed circles. So if it's just plain greater than or just plain less than, we use an open circle, and that shows that I can get as close as I want to 4, but never stand on 4. And greater than is to the right, so that would be the graph. Here's another opportunity. So again, start off the problem assuming that that's an equal sign. Do the algebra. Don't forget your negative signs. And we have now x is greater than or equal to -2. And so here, we're going to need the number line. We're going to need the -2. And greater than or equal, that's what the bottom line shows. I am allowed to actually be on -2, so I show that by actually doing a closed dot on -2. And then again, greater than goes off to the right. Okay, here's the last one. Solve and graph this. So we're going to get rid of the 4 first. But now we come to our problem with inequalities. We have to watch out for this all the time. Anytime you multiply or divide by a negative number, so not the number in the numerator, but you are actually dividing by the negative number, we have to flip the inequality. Because negative numbers, they change as you go from positive to negative on a number line. Think about the direction the numbers are going. The negative numbers get smaller and smaller, but the absolute values of them are getting larger. I don't want to over confuse you there, so we can talk about that more in class, but you have to remember that when you divide by that negative number to flip the inequality. So our final answer here is x is greater than -4. So again, I picked 3 greater problems. This would be open circle, because I can't be on -4, and again, greater than is to the right.